Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your local copy is aligned with the remote. First, confirm the repo URL and target branch, then stash or commit any unfinished work so you don't lose changes. Once done, fetch updates and switch to the branch you'll update. Git fetch, git checkout main, then git pull to merge remote commits. This prevents conflicts and ensures you work on the latest codebase before making edits. Now implement your change in code or documentation, and follow the repository style and testing requirements so reviewers have a clean diff. Once you modify files, run unit tests and linters locally to catch issues early. Fixing them now saves time later. After tests pass, stage your work with git add a and create a clear commit message with git commitm. You do this to keep history meaningful and to make automated checks more reliable when you push. To publish your update, push the branch to origin using git push origin your branch, and then open a pull request describing what changed and why. Assign reviewers and link related issue numbers so reviewers can validate context quickly. If reviewers report merge conflicts, fetch the latest main and rebase or merge into your branch, resolve conflicts, and rerun tests before pushing again. One troubleshooting tip: if automated checks fail, inspect CI logs for the first failing test and reproduce it locally to fix confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.